Giant golden statue, the rainbow stairs, and monkeys. Assalamualaikum, welcome to Solar Adventures. Do subscribe and like. Day 3 in Malaysia started super early. We had breakfast and got ready because we had a long drive ahead. Today we are going somewhere far in the caves. We booked our cab ready to go. It took almost 40 minutes to reach there. And yes, we reached the famous Batu Caves. Batu Cave is one of Malaysia's most famous cultural and religious places. The atmosphere was full of tradition, colors and positive energy. In the starting, there are so many stalls you can see. Look at this big statue. It is one of the most popular Hindu shrines outside India and also famous tourist attraction. There were so many pigeons. They came to eat food that people were giving them. Now look at this giant golden statue and the beautiful architecture with vibrant colors. It's so huge, so amazing to see. We played a lot with the pigeons. It was amusing to see a lot of pigeons. Here my mama telling me that those colorful stairs are 272 stairs. And now we are about to climb the stairs. Hey, that's Mr. Beef there. Oh no, that's some other YouTuber. Look at this beautiful architecture. On our way up to the stairs, there were super naughty monkeys surrounding us. These 272 stairs lead us to the cave. just the halfway, we realized we can't climb up all the stairs, mainly because of my little sister. So we came back down halfway. We saw many people performing religious rituals, mostly wearing bright yellow clothes and carrying silver bowls on their heads. We got super hungry and had some Indian food there. What you looking at my food? Perfect meal after tiring climb. The weather was so humid and too hot, so got to have ice cream. It was sunset time and we decided now we should go to Petronas Twin Towers to see the night views. Here's the amazing Twin Towers. They are connected to each other, you can see. They looked magical, all lit up. We watched this rainbow colorful fountains show. The lights reflecting everywhere made the whole place feel like a movie scene. Water dancing with lights and music. So beautiful. So it ended. Now we are out on the road. We have to cross the road to go to the other side. But hey, we cannot cross just like that. Can you see this red stop walking sign? When it will turn green, then we will cross the road and the traffic will stop. Yes, now. Look, we are walking on the zebra crossing. The traffic rules are so strict. We have to follow them. Found a real lemon tree on our way.
These are lemons. These are real lemons.
Beauty is everywhere in Malaysia. Finally having our dinner. Fast food all the way. Now got the cab and leaving this beautiful place. Today was super long and tiring. When I will reach hotel, I am just gonna sleep and make plans for the next day. We reached hotel and we relaxed in the balcony for some time. Meanwhile, you subscribe me if you haven't. And don't miss out my next video. because that will be our last day in Malaysia. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.